Okay, so you might have been searching through the site config and you notice this stats section here with bully and tip-off. So this is generally every time the bully and the tip-off forms have been filled out, they're going to be stored in this stats for you to view. So naturally, email everybody in these email fields will be notified, but you can also go back in case you lost the email or something. You can always go back and look at previous submissions. So this is a Bully and TipOff Stats. It'll tell you, say there's 5 submissions for the tip-off and 1 submission for the bully in August. It'll just kind of give you this little graph here. And let's just say in 2019, I just submitted some, so it's December. And it tells you here submitted December 4th, um, the name of the student. So all the form fields are currently showing to me, as well as the IP address of the sender. So tip-off is currently on my Alex Dev here. You might be seeing something different, but on my Alex Dev, um, it's currently kind of uh, undergoing an issue at the moment. So generally, what you'll be seeing is the same kind of template here, where all the form fields are showing to you, as well as the IP address of the sender. So if you happen to be receiving some falsified form submissions or just some quote-unquote prank submissions, you always have the IP address of the sender to kind of you can take the IP there and place it into the block IPs there if you'd like to. It's completely up to you. You can also send it to your local law enforcement and have them trace it to whomever or whichever device was responsible for submitting it. But generally, the Boolean tip-off stats is used to show you previous submissions.